No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon. See? Just a guy. Just a guy here to rescue these dragons. So, dragon scales. That's really just a nitwit who forgot to fireproof his butt. Oh. Hey, guys. This is Burke, your new home away from home. A stunning, one-stop, all-expense-paid dream destination. So settle in and let your worries melt away.
Hotel Trivago.
Isn't that right, bud? What would we do without you, old king of dragons? What would we do?
What up, guys? Yeah, your mom's super impressed with me. I'm like the son she always wanted.
Hey, bud, you wanna do something here? Or?
Where do you suppose we put these ones?
We'll make room.
Ah! They're a bad omen. We're cursed.
Come on, boy.
You're just asking for trouble.
No, you don't.
Are getting closer by
We have the alpha. Ain't that right, bud?
Ah! Sanitary.
Garber, you're not fooling anybody. I know you love them.
The generation that leads us into the future. Ah! God help us. Time to stop worrying about problems out there and start sorting out the ones right here.
Okay. I'll think about it.
Hang up those saddles and get married. Please. You're the only one with any sense around here. With you wearing the pants, there's still hope.
Wow! Not awkward at all.
Astrid, don't be like that.
Whoa, that is a definitive no. Look, if you need a beard to cry on, just lean on my shoulder and you can cry into my full, thick beard.
Oh, thank you, Tough Nut. Thank you. What's the report? So we go after them.
What?
One day, you're gonna pick a fight you can't win.
Okay. Wow. Even Night Furies? Those are scary.
What?
You do know it's not a chew toy, don't you? Is this what you want? Oh, do you want this leg? Do you want my leg?
Oh, this is where you come to get away from Gobber.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Well, he's right now.
Really? You think you and I should...
Oh, gods no. We're nowhere near ready for that.
No, that's crazy.
I mean, he's right about all of this.
It could be the answer to all of our problems.
How? By moving the dragons there?
All of us.
Seriously.
But hey, if you're having doubts about yours truly, I'm pretty sure Snotlout's available. Oh, playing dirty now, huh?
You asked for it.
Oh, how dare you! That is a low blow. No, you are not getting away. Ah, okay, you win. You always win.
You knew what you were getting into.
Right. Bud. But yeah, sure, don't bother to wait for us. Oh my God.
Another Night Fury.
Oh, not quite. It's more like a bright.
A light fury.
Yeah, yours is better.
Probably.
Isn't it obvious? He's in love.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery. What did I just say? Am I not enough?
I think that's a no.
Toothless has a girlfriend.
I never took you for a romantic. Like, ever.
Shovel poop all day, then watch that.
All right, let's head back to the woods and see if we can find her.
Ah, good idea. A little privacy.
Shh.
It's boy talk.
What?
Come on. Don't worry, little hickey. I'm here.
Wait, Hickey?
Now, I've seen the way you're Viking. Show these naysayers that you're more than just a malnourished runt with bad hair, strange teeth.
Is there an actual plan, or...?
Just keep flying until we reach the end of the world.
Seems sensible.
Well, look who it is. Oh, hey, it's really nice to finally... So great. Not
A word.
I said make camp.
Did you see them?
not build a new village. Granted, this place is very nice, but it's not the hidden world.
We don't even know if this hidden world exists.
There's nothing more stubborn than a mob of tired, hungry Vikings.
Well, I guess this can work as a base in the meantime. All right, you could stay.
Now about that voice. Can we lose the whole honking goose thing? It's hard to imagine wedded bliss with that going off every minute.
If you...
Yeah. Just be careful. Do you still think I'm crazy, or...? Hey! What do you think of that? Bring her home by sundown at the latest. No, save it for your girlfriend. Go on, get out of here. Okay, guys, now I'm just getting sick. Okay.
Gotta say, I thought you were well off your rocker, but this spot ain't half bad.
Well, how would I know? She never comes around. And when she does, she's always rushing off. I'm saying, how do we know if she's right for us?
Us?
You know what I mean. She's so wild and skittish. I'm just gonna say it.
I don't trust her.
Hickey, a moment. Listen, I've been watching you walk. Lose the limp. No one's gonna marry that.
I have a prosthetic leg.
And I have a parasitic twin, but you don't see me limping around about it. Come on. Get up, Hickey. Puff out that chest. Move that butt to the left a little bit.
Hey! We might not have to say goodbye after all. I feel like the same screw-up I was before I met Toothless.
I can see that.
Are you just gonna stand there and agree with everything?
Now that's marriage material. At last, faithful pupil, you are ready.
I was thirsty. Dad, are you gonna get us a new mom?